Hello, fifth graders. Today we're gonna play the challenge. How do you make a bar graph with a baby? No way, we're not gonna do that. That's just crazy. But I do have another assistant. Her name is
Ellie.
And you're in grade?
Second.
Second grade. She's gonna help us with bar graphs. Bar graphs. All right, grab marker. I'll help you out. Ready? All right, the first thing we need to do for a bar graph is we need to make our X and Y axis. You guys already know how to do this from coordinate plane. So she's gonna make a line right here, straight, and then right here, straight. Oh my goodness, beautiful. What do you think, Yogi? He loves it. All right, next we have, yes, everyone's favorite jelly beans again. Ellie, what color?
Red, yellow, and pink.
Yeah, it kind of looks orange, but it's pink. Good, so we need to make some labels for these for our bar graphs. So let's go ahead. Ellie, can you write red right there? And let's put yellow right here. And as you guys make these bar graphs, you want to make sure that you do nice spacing. Got it? O, W. And then our last one, pink. Do right there, perfect. Like I was saying, you want to do some nice spacing. You want the graph to look good, because that's the whole point of a graph. Looking at data, but in a more visual way. P-I-N-K. Nailed it. Perfect. So we got red, yellow, and pink. Now before we get to the good stuff, the jelly beans, we got to figure out our scale over here, our intervals. So let's look at our jelly beans. How many do we have right here? Two. Three. 5. So we're not going to make our intervals, we're not going to go like up to 100. That would be crazy. Can you say crazy?
Crazy.
Yeah, that would be crazy. Because then we'd have our numbers way down here and our bar graphs would just be little mini bar graphs. So we're not going to do that. That's just crazy. So instead, we're going to, as always, this will be 0. So you want to write 0 right there. And we want to make an interval up to, let's go up to 5 as our max. So let's go ahead and do 5 right there. And let's make a line right there. Perfect. Let's do 4 right here. Make a line right there. Just a little one. Perfect. Let's do 3 right there. Put the 2 right here. Make a line and 1 right there. Oh my goodness, beautiful spacing. Again, it's very important that you get this interval or this scale or frequency. You want it to be pretty even. And she did a pretty good job at that. All right, our next part is just to go ahead and do the numbers. So how many red jelly beans do we have, Ellie?
2.
So we're gonna make, it's a bar graph. So we're gonna make a rectangle or a bar extending from the bottom or our, we forgot to do it. You wanna write X right here? This is our X coordinate, and this is our Y. Don't even ask why, but shh. Good. Now we're gonna make a rectangle that goes up to, how many jelly beans do we have?
2.
So we want to try to imagine an imaginary line right here. Sometimes you might even see lines. Can you make a rectangle, Ellie? Right there, up to the 2 stop. Go this way and down. Perfect. Now it's very important. Now she made it that thick. She could have made it this thick or that thick or this thick, but we want to stay with this thickness. So whenever we get to the yellow, we want it to make it that same thickness. Does that make sense, Ellie? Perfect. So how many yellows do we have there, Ellie? 3. I'm going to move these up a little bit. All right, we have 3. So now she's going to make that same rectangle above yellow, but now we're going to go up to 3. I'll help her out and make a little. So we want to go up to about right there. Good. And down. Woo. Have you done this before, Ellie?
No.
Oh my goodness, you're doing great. Last one, pink. How many? 5. So again, we want to make this same width right above pink, and I'll help you out. It's way over here. I have to move the jelly beans. Right about there. Looks wonderful. She got a marker on my finger. Ouch. Oh my goodness. Everyone give her a round of applause. Good job. Oh, wait. She's not done. Almost. It does look wonderful. I'm going to get to this side so you guys can see it from this side. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. The only thing that we're actually missing a couple things here. Sometimes you might need a key, especially when you get to double bar graphs, and we'll talk about that later. But this is just a single bar graph. The only thing we're missing is a label down here. So what does the red, yellow, and pink stand for? What were those things, Ellie? Jelly beans, yeah. So we would probably write, she's not going to do it now, but she would write jelly beans down here so we know what the red, yellow, and pink stand for. And then what do these numbers stand for, Ellie? How many what?
Jelly beans?
Yeah, how many jelly beans we had. So we'd say like the number of jelly beans. These are obviously the color of the jelly beans. And then the very last thing we need is we need an awesome title at the top. She's not going to write it right now, but what would you title this, Ellie? What would you title it?
The jelly bean stand?
The jelly bean stand that Dad gets to eat. Or do you get to eat them?
I don't know.
I don't know. Perfect. So that is bar graphs. Whoop, whoop. Be awesome.